Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about bond fission or cleavage. We can also call it as bond breakage, right? This bond breakage in covalent molecules are of two types. One is homolysis, second one is heterolysis. Let us see the first one, homolysis, right? What do you mean by homolysis? It's a symmetrical breakage of a covalent bond. What do you mean by that? Let us see, okay? Generally symmetrical reagents are involved. It takes place either light or heat condition, okay? Conditions are important. And because of this homolysis, right, the resultant of homolysis, we can get the free radicals over there. Let us see an example over there. Let us see a molecule A. Okay, under what condition? This is a symmetrical molecule, right? This is a symmetrical molecule. Under what condition it takes place? Light or heat, right? During this particular homolytic cleavage, what happens? Formation of free radicals takes place. We have A free radical, right? Now let us see how this one is taking place over here. How many electrons will be there in the bond over there? 2 electrons, right? We know that. Let us take 2 electrons in between these two atoms of A over there. Okay, what is happening during the cleavage? Symmetrical sharing is taking place, right? Symmetrical sharing is taking place, right? Isn't it? Symmetrical breakage is taking place. That is what equal sharing of electrons are also taking place during the cleavage. Yeah, during the cleavage, what happens? This A gets 1 electron and this A also gets 1 electron, forms a free radical over there, 2A dot. Under what condition? We know that is heat and light condition. Let us see some other example. Let us take chlorine molecule, okay? Chlorine. What happens under the same condition? It forms 2 free radicals of chlorine. If you take a bromine, right? Bromine molecule. What happens? The same way, it also forms 2 bromine radicals. Let us take a peroxide, okay? Symmetrical peroxide. What happens? Here also symmetrical breakage takes place. It forms free radicals over there. Alkoxide free radical, 2 moles of alkoxide free radical. Let us take ethane. Let us take ethane. What is happening? Here also it's a symmetrical molecule. Symmetrical cleavage takes place. Methyl radical formation takes place. These are about homolytic cleavage. And now let us see what is meant by heterolytic cleavage, right? It is opposite to homolysis here. It's unsymmetrical breakage or cleavage or fission of covalent bond is known as heterolytic cleavage, right? During the heterolytic cleavage, what will be formed? Ions will be formed, that is cations, and anions will be formed. Let us take an example. Let us take A, B molecule. Okay, here we are assuming this. What is that? B has more electronegativity than the A over there. Then what happens? Shared pair shifting takes place towards the B over there. During the cleavage, what happens? A cation will be formed plus B anion will be formed. How this one is taking place? Let us take with a example over there. Okay, now we know each bond has been formed with the sharing of 2 electrons over there. Now what is happening during the cleavage of the bond? Okay, now we have 2 electrons in between these two atoms, right? A and B over there. During the breakage, this complete shifting is taking place towards B. That's what we are calling it as unsymmetrical. It is not equal, it is unequal, or else unsymmetrical we are calling, right? That is why we know the charge of the electrons, right? Because B is gaining the electrons, that's what B becomes negative, that is anion, and A becomes positive, that is cation over there. Now let us see some of the examples over there. Now let us see some of the examples. For example, let us take hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. We know chlorine has more electronegativity, right? That's what happens here. Chlorine becomes anion and hydrogen becomes cation over there. Okay, shared pair shifting taking place towards more electronegative atom. Okay, and we can also take hydrogen bromide also. Hydrogen bromide also. What happens now? Shifting of shared pair takes place towards the bromine because it's a more electronegative one. That's what bromine anion plus hydrogen cation will be formed. This is what heterolysis, right? Thank you for watching.